turn 2. Taking a nice whip early on. Switch transition. Lots of left foot brake sliding around the bottom end of that ICOS number 8. Going a bit wider. Oh, the crowd. With their heart. Oh, launching the car. Doing 5 Scandinavian flips before breakfast. Taking out a cone. Now he's got it down. Now he's got to grips with it. Nice flip. Keeps it on the inside line. Points and knows where he needs to go. Hits that touch and go. And gets that final out of the zone. Great job there from Dan Burkett. Opens up a lot of angle. Hits the end of the angle on that BMW F22. M2. Hits that puddle there, switches up a little late. A lot of grip on that transition. This is just touch and go goes. Oh, she kills the cone. Pulls out that front fender. But over the line she goes, and back to the start she will head. A18 Adrian JP. Big switch early, lots of angle open up by Dan, but gets that inside post. Right now, Adrian closing the gap, but overcooks it somewhat, makes a lot of readjustments, falls out of drift. It is Dan to walk away with it as he completes the back end of this track. All he has to do now is do the touch and go. Switch, he's already got much further than Adrian and should therefore win this half of the bout. That was all about who did things worse. Switches up early, massive angle, and not too much. No, he's able to cope with it. Leads himself to Miller, not doing a good job of pouring back proximity, understeers outwards while she's gonna shallow out, giving Rafael Cerrone the opportunity to complete the course unscathed and with huge amounts of distance between himself and Sunita. Like flies on, you know the rest. Flies on fruits, it's flies on fruits. Here comes Sunita, opening up a nice bit of angle. Rafael taking that inside line, getting as close as he dares. He just has to stay with this sort of proximity, and he'll already have it in the bag. Sunita doing better in the lead here than in chase, but Rafael being nice and consistent with his steering, just following as he should, doing a great job, and over the line, great job there from Sunita, but even better from Rafael Cerrone. Great job there from both drivers, but the first half of the bout definitely went to Rafael. So what are our judges? Away, big switch early. Dean doing a good job of staying reasonably close on that transition there. Gains back a bit of proximity, taking that inside line as Fausto does his best to switch early. Dean switches a little bit later, but with that big switch swings to the inside and gets closer. Now on that touch and go, it looks like Fausto, with a lot of wheel work, starts to pull away, but Dean still there with him. Great job from both drivers. This is the low horsepower battle. Always, gentlemen, here comes Adrian JP and Dan Burkett. Can Dan get pushing from Johnson? Yes, very, very close. Adrian pulls away. But there we go, Dan still on the inside. Adrian hitting the cone. Dan overshoots, gets on the inside. But now Adrian catches up. Dan nudging and pushing on the door. And Adrian, but everything's okay. Takes on the cone, reaches the wrong way. Keeps in drift, but Adrian pulls away on that final zone. Oh my goodness. These two guys all over the place and each other. This is going to be a tricky one for our judges, or maybe not. These guys know exactly what's going on. Either way, very, very exciting matchup as to watch. All right. Based on the matchup in total, we have a winner. All right, your winner, all the way from the USA, is Dan Bikin. Congratulations to Dan. Getting a little bit crazy out there on this very tight course. But Adrian making bigger, badder mistakes in the first half of that matchup. All right, as Adrian and Dan head back to the pits at the starting line, we're getting a check run right now from Rockwell Cerrone, car number 77. Adrian making some noise in front of the grandstand. Rockwell Cerrone making that dance around the track. Beautiful line there. Super smooth with it. Gonna keep that clean looking car clean with super clean lines. After that check run, he's back to the start and he's gonna let Zanita Salsabila do her.